Well, I'm guessing I should really make some new video content for your enjoyment and pleasure before I become busy, as it's crop season in my new job, and that's when they're busy, is like spring and fall. Which we'll have some videos of that, I'm sure, eventually. In the meantime, enjoy the New Yorker. Mmm. Yep, got this here back here. Just picked this up from the auction. It's seen better days. Let's take a closer look at it. The lips are all cut out. Isn't that the other thing? I mean, needs a little work, but it's got a cap. But the main reason I bought this is for the floor. Now, I know what you're thinking, but didn't you just buy one for the floor? Well, yes, I did. I did buy one for the floor. But now that I got this, there's a good chance I do not have to destroy the other one, which is fine by me. So I did not mind buying another box to use for a floor so I don't have to wreck up the other one. Because the other one's way too pretty. I mean, even front here is pretty straight. The cap is fixable. You can clean this up. Got all the windows in it, which is great. I don't know if they open, but still, it's got all the windows. So I could use this cap, even though the back is, done. I might be able to find another door for it. But, like I said, the main reason I bought this is for this floor. And the other reason is price point. Price point was, how much did I pay for this thing? 43 bucks. 43 bucks. Now, normally around here, you can't touch a box like this for like under 150 bucks. Never mind the cap. So, to me, it made more sense to buy this. And of course, the real pain in the butt was I had to figure out a way to get it back here. Well, thanks again to J-Ride. I think technically both of us forgot that he had this trailer. As I thought about it, I'm like, wait a minute. Don't you still got this little trailer? He's like, you know what? I think I do. So, luckily we found it. Here it is. So once again, thanks J-Ride for once again adding to the cause of my craziness. So I mean, and plus it came with some really sweet pallets. So that's another bonus. But all in all, other than the roof caving in here, so we got to fix that. We got to fix the roof and a few other, small things. Go through it, see what else we can find, see if there's anything else worth of value. There's something in there. So we'll climb up there and check that out. See what that is. Look at this. It's fairly straight. All right, what do we got in here? Ooh, what do we have in here? Really crusty hubcaps. Yeah, an really old nest of some sort. Yeah, let's pull these crusty hubcaps out. Oh, they're crusty. But what do we have? Oh. Whoa. Really? Really? Two big block Moroso. I mean, really? Huh. Anything else? I got some head bolts. What's on the other side? Well, that's worth the price tag right there. Shit. I guess I just made my money back. Ah. Oh, that's awesome. And now for an update on this turd. Like I said, I don't have to destroy that box now, so that's a plus. So the auction house called me up, and they're like, "Hey, by the way, forgot to tell you and forgot to give you these, but they got a bunch of paperwork with this truck. So now I gotta go and figure out what type of paperwork they got." And I got other people telling me and bugging me that they have a front diff for me. So, I mean, we'll see. We'll see how that turns out, or how much they want for it. So, I mean, now I'm kind of on the fence with it once again. Because if I got all the paperwork and I don't have to tear it down and use it for parts, I might just offload the thing if it's got all the paperwork. You know, maybe I'll find another fender for it or something, or whatever. We'll see. We'll see if anybody wants this turd. Yeah. So, that's a plus. Hey kids, watch out for the dog, okay? Watch out for that dog over there. Watch out for the doggy. You come back this way if you want. Watch out for the doggy. Oh, big stretch. Big stretch. Hi. What you guys up to? What are you doing? Shredding yourself? Alright. Like I said, watch out for the dog over there. I'm telling them to watch out for the dog.